To click this button. Screen. Up. Menu bar Apple. Closing menu. Now in screen recording window. Stop recording button. Dock. Safari. 4 of 29. Trash. 29 of 29. Downloads folder. 28 of 29. Selected separator. 27 QuickTime player. 26 of Google Chrome. 25 of 20 remote desktop connection. 20 for Google Chrome. 20 QuickTime player. Screen recording window. Stop. Go to most visited button. Menu view. Open location. So, W period. Mail.com. Left. Select period. Google period. M. HTML content. You are currently on HTML content. To enter the web area. To lose your edit text. Pen lose your QuickTime player. Screen recording window. Stop recording button.